Hello and welcome to the C++ Console Section 1.1. In this demonstration, you will have learned the sources in which this and the following demonstrations are based off of. You will be supplied with your very own unpaid free documentation and very tools to get you up in programming in Console C++. Keep note the programs used in these tutorials are not required. Some users prefer to use Visual Studio and some prefer free replicas of the program. Another note, keep in mind that using different compilers may retrieve different errors or no errors at all. Let's get started. Let's head to your web browser and the location of the C++ documentation that the series is based off of. On C++ documentation, C++ language tutorial. Download the entire tutorial PDF file. And there you have it. These demonstrations can be defined as a classification of the simplification of C++ documentation, which can be found at the C++ domain c++.com. Now that you have the documentation, let's head to the program in which we recommend you use. Head over to bloodshed.net. Over at bloodshed.net, you can see a link right here, but we're going to go ahead and click the download. And right here, you can see the for Windows 95, 98, NT 2000 XP. This download also works perfectly fine and functional with Windows 7 and Vista 64-bit. You can go ahead and look up the specs of the computer that this is being recorded off of and see that I'm on a Windows 64-bit operating system. So we're going to go back to the home and we're going to click on the February 21st, 2005. And you can see the requirements again, 95 or higher. And we're going to find the download for it. We're going to download it from, let's get the executable only. Yes. Dev C++ is a program which allows you to write and interpret code into programs in C or C++. They appear to have stopped site maintenance during the early year of 2005. Like I said, this version runs functionally well in Vista and 64-bit operating systems. Not required, but you may also retrieve a copy of this program on CD as well as older versions of the software. Over in this section. Once your download has stopped, go ahead and click open. Please not install this version of Dev C++ over an existing installation. You go ahead and close your web browser. Go ahead and select your language. I'm going to click English. Go ahead and install. We won't need B. Well, go ahead and use check that for help files. You want to make sure you have all of these checked, but for the sake of my needs, I'm going to not install. Choose your preferences here. Alright, now you want to run the beta now. Go ahead and click OK. OK again. Click whatever. Well, you're gonna click New Look. Next, just click. Make sure all that's the same. Yes, I want to use this feature. Now create a catch. And you can either not display or you can go ahead and read through all the tips, but and that sums up section 1.1, head to console 1.2.